Okay. That thing's actually got good sound up where it's playing.
You're on the bridge. Now, starting with 16, somewhere along here, there's some things going on with fret out and stuff. I need to get Kim to level the frets down there. They kind of choke out and stuff. If you try to bend those, and sometimes even a flat note. That little Yep, towards the smaller strings also.
What does that mean? You have to raise this some or not?
Actually, you have to do a fret leveling job. That's something I need to learn how to do because one of these days, Shu's gonna retire.
Yeah.
And I gotta learn how to do this stuff. But from now, I'm gonna take her to my first year, February, March, whatever I guess. Hey man, I'm having problems from 16 up towards the body. I need it leveled or whatever. Everything else from 16 back towards the head stock is good. But 16 towards